That's a pretty green pool. That's not good.
So there's a lot of shock that's going to go in, about 4 tubs.
Yeah, whenever your pool is green, you need to shock it. Hey guys, today we're going to be reacting to some pool cleaning videos. Let's get into it.
Alright then, come to this pool to get it ready for the summer.
Pretty green pool.
And it's pretty green. It's not a small one either, it's probably around 25 foot by about 50 foot. So there's a lot of shock that's going to go in, about 4 tubs. I'm going to sprinkle that all the way around the pool while the pool's running.
Yeah, whenever your pool is green, you need to shock it like 4 times what you usually would.
While the pool's running as well. Get the brush out, brush the whole pool, all the surfaces, and let that do its thing. A few days later we're back and it's nice and clear, everything's settled to the bottom. I've got the vac gear out of the van and prime the pump as usual and start hoovering. Yeah, I'm giving this a go here. It's pretty hard though with just one hand. Not bad, but I should have gone round a bit more. Cup of tea and biscuits from the customer. Nearly there, and that's job done. Follow your boy for the pool work.
That cleaned up pretty well. That's a pretty green pool. That cleared up really well. Vacuuming out that pool.
Alright, you've probably seen this pool on TikTok before. Gem Red followed your boy for the pool work. So I've popped down to take a look, see what condition we're in. The plant room's literally been taken over by spiders. The pool water is just black. There's a few loose copings with a lot of moss all over them. That's Gem Red's brother. He jumped in the pool a few months ago. He must be crazy. And we've got some floating plants here as if it is a pond or something. We stuck the net in to the bottom to see what would come up. A lot of leaves obviously and a very bad smell. Spa boy almost dropped his iPad in the water. Checked out the deep end as well.
That's not good. I've been to some green pools and it's pretty much the same.
It's possibly going to be the worst pool that I've done if we do it. I'm not even sure what's in there. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Can we get it cleaned up? Holly your boy for the pool work.
Question: do you ever have pools you can't clear?
Yeah, this does happen a fair amount. Sometimes it's so bad it won't actually clear and you end up emptying it. This is a really bad one, so I thought I'd give you an idea. I don't even know how this is going to turn out myself. It's so green, thick sludge on the bottom. But we can't empty it because it's really unstable, the structure. So we're going to chemical it up really high, hope for the best. You'll see the shock gets to work straight away. It starts to cloud up, which ends up being precipitated calcium carbonate. A little bit of a fact for you there. Sometimes call it a whiteout. See that shock's reacting with all that organic matter as well. Give you a nice little effect there. Yeah, this is really bad, so I'm not too optimistic about this one. But we do like a challenge. See the leaves and like all the algae starting to float to the top as well. Makes like this scummy layer. Looks a bit like a foam, but yeah. Jump in for part 2 if you want to see if we can do it. Cheers.
Looks like they drained at the pool, ready to clean it out. Just pressure washing the sides. It's coming off pretty good.
sort of orange thing in the jet. Now I have to try to pull it out with the... I got it out. Now the jet's working. Little word of advice, don't stick anything in the jets. And I mean anything, don't. When I was getting my CPO and AFO certification, we learned about a man that stuck his wee-wee into a jet. And guess what? He doesn't have a wee-wee anymore. Marshmallow time. Baby marshmallow time. Somebody lost their chain in a skimmer. Flush the toilets. Marshmallow time. A chunk of baby marshmallows. Let's see how many marshmallows this pool's gonna get. It's gonna need like 4. Since this pool is a lot smaller, that also determines how many marshmallows it gets. That's why this pool only gets 4 marshmallows whenever it is marshmallow time. I forgot my little bucket, so it's marshmallow time. Get in the tube. I see you, bitch. I'm coming for you. Don't run from me. Come back here. Well, I got him out of the pool. He's not happy. Sir or ma'am, please vacate the premises. I walked him down to a creek. He's free. Back to your regularly scheduled marshmallow time. No bear, no man, and no crackheads. Yet. It is a pro. Look how tiny this toad is. Forbidden sugar. Baby marshmallow time. Marshmallow time. Spooky pool time. Fart. Mellow time. Damn it. Flush the toilets. Who disrespected goldfish like this? Money? God damn, did Wolverine open this bitch? The ants appreciate all the food you left. Marshmallow time. Baby marshmallow time. Forbidden sugar. If it'll come out. I just got recognized again. If y'all see this, be safe. Have a good night.
Gonna open up this pool. Get all the debris off the cover. It's pretty clean, not too bad. Gonna vacuum it out. Just clean it up pretty well. Yeah. That cleaned up pretty well. Cleaning off the cover again. You want to make sure you clean off the cover before you open it back up, because if you don't, some leaves might fall back in. Just gonna vacuum it back out again. Yeah, that vacuumed out pretty well. That's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.